Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today we are going to begin. We're gonna start on the 5 Dirty Bikers Harley Davidson. Stick around. Alright guys, so here we are. Come home from a long day's hard work and discover a bunch of boxes sitting on the front porch. Those boxes right over there. Yeah. So Austin, what do you think these boxes are, buddy?
I think it's about time.
About time? About time for what?
You know what time it is. Throwing some stupid weird things at the camera.
Time to throw stupid weird things at the camera. I guess what you're talking about is we're gonna open up these boxes for the Harley Davidson Sportster for the Autism Charity raffle by the 5 Dirty Bikers. Yeah, dude. I know what's inside the boxes because I ordered these parts. But what do you think is going to be inside these boxes?
I don't know. Some video games, some like CDs of my favorite death metal bands. You know what I mean.
Yeah, I don't think there's going to be any video games or CDs from your favorite death metal bands, but I know what's going to be in there. There's going to be some parts for the Sportster! Woo! Are you excited?
No.
He may not be excited as I am, but we're stoked because we finally get to get started on the bike build for the charity. Now, we've talked about it many times before. Autism is a tough thing for families to be able to live with life and deal and do things, and Austin has been an amazing son, carrying all of the weight of autism on his shoulders all by himself. Like, our family, we don't do anything for him at all, do we?
Sometimes. Some shows here and there, you know.
Autism is a tough thing, guys, and if you don't have support, that's what we're doing this for. So the charity is called TACA. It's an acronym that stands for the Autism Community in Action, and they have resources and provide education and support for families who deal with the struggles of autism. So, in order to help that charity, we're going to take that 1975 Harley Davidson Sportster that we've nicknamed the Harvey Danielson Snortster. Yeah, I know I give Harley guys a lot of slack. My video last week, a matter of fact, the comment sections, wow, you guys, it wasn't meant to be offensive. It was more as fun because if you can't take it, then don't deal it. So I know I can take it, and we're gonna take that Harley Davidson and make it into something incredible, and we're gonna be raffling that bike off to raise money and awareness for autism with the 5 Dirty Bikers. These guys are awesome. If you haven't had a chance to check out their podcast, make sure you jump on that, all different platforms. Go check out the 5 Dirty Bikers. You're gonna love what they do and what they talk about. Let's get these boxes open. What do you think?
Oh, yeah. You know it.
I know it?
Yeah, I think he knows it.
All right. Well, let's do this. Here we go. Before we open up this box, I just wanted to say a huge shout out to our friends over at
Lowbrow
Customs, man. These guys have come alongside and said, hey, we want to support this operation that you have going on at Weems Motor Co. And they said, hey, order some parts. We want to make sure that we are a part of this project. So Lowbrow Customs, thank you guys for supporting this. If you're looking for any parts, whether it's Triumph, Harley Davidson, whatever, you're building a chopper, you're restoring a bike, you're working on a motorcycle, go to Lowbrow Customs. Check out their website. They have amazing parts, and they will get here like within 2 days. So awesome. Go check out Lowbrow.
Jeez, you're beating up that box.
I'm beating up the box! Beat the box! Alright, Austin. We talked about box cutters before,
Box
right?
cutter, yeah.
Alright, so something really important, because I know what's inside these boxes, we have to be really careful. So don't like jab into it and go crazy, okay? We don't want to mess up what's inside the box. So let's discover what's in here. Start over here, nice and straight down to the side. Oh, flip it around.
Flip it around.
All right, there you go. Nice and easy. All right, now do this side.
Oh, okay.
There you go. And then one right across the top, right there. Let's start over here. There you go. Sweet. Let me have that. Open it up. Let's see what we got in the box. Oh, snap.
I swear, there's bubble wrap.
Snap. Oh, sweet.
Oh, snap, it's paper.
Woo! We love paper. Ah! Wow. Awesome, dude. So, what is this, Austin?
I definitely know what this is, a motorcycle tube.
There. It says it right on the box.
Hey, don't tell them that.
Okay, I'm sorry. What do you think this is?
A shirt?
A shirt.
It looks like a shirt, okay?
What was the last thing you opened?
What
was that?
A tube.
And it's another motorcycle tube. Oh, jeez, look at that. Look at these sweet things. Pull this up. Let's see what's in
the box.
This is, I know what this is.
I thought that was a Harley Davidson logo.
It is, what does that say right there?
Screw-in HD vented gas.
A screw-in Harley Davidson gas cap.
Didn't you
Super clean.
Didn't you just say you hate Harley Davidson?
I did, but you know, I love this Harley Davidson because of what we get to build it for. That's the most important thing. What is this big round circular thing?
Two, you mean?
Two of them, yes, but what is that? Look at that.
That is a tire?
A tire, very good.
Course.
What is required on a motorcycle? How many tires are there?
Oh, there has to be at least 4.
No. On a motorcycle, we only need 2 wheels where we're going. And we're going to the chopper show, making this thing awesome. So, I ordered, to keep it fun, on this Harley Davidson is actually going to be not 1, but 2 Avon tires. Now, Avon are found on Triumphs. So, we're kind of doing up a little bit. Avon is a British tire company. Super stoked. We're going to have these on the chopper. It's going to be awesome. Next box. All right, I'm going to cut this one open for you, bro. All right, you open it up. Ooh, shiny.
Oh.
Pretty, yeah. Trying to knock me out?
Probably.
Here, let's just lift this up so they can see what it is without having to take it out.
Ooh. Oh god.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That is a brand new Harley Davidson rear wheel. We're not cutting any corners on this thing. This thing is going to be over the top. So we got brand new wheels for the Harley Davidson Sportster. All right, Austin, you, my friend, do it up. Whoa.
Okay, that's heavy.
Yes! Super cool.
Ah! Okay. Oh,
Right.
I got shot.
Awesome.
Awesome. Hey, let me throw
Man,
it.
you going through it?
Oh god. Oh, geez, my neck.
Nailed it.
Ooh.
All right. Inside the bag, we have a brand new,
Spanking new.
21-inch Harley Davidson wheel for the chopper. Stoked about that because stock this would have had a 19 on it, and no chopper is going to rock a 19. We're not going stock on this thing. We're going custom. We're making it awesome. So 21-inch front wheel. Boom!
Woo! What does this say? Warning. Fuel tank let ax magor. You know what? Never mind. Let's just open it.
Okay. Nice. Be very careful with this. Woo. And what we have here is a super custom Frisco mount narrow Sportster tank. Super stoked on this. It's gonna look right in place to make this bike the David Mann replica that it was always born to be. Super cool. And some other parts that we've seen on a prior video. We have the ribbed rear fender and the piece of resistance. This, my friends, is what makes a chopper a chopper.
Yeah, baby.
In order to make a chopper, it has to have the frame modified in such a way you can't return it stock. So we are going to take that 1975 Sportster. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's stock. It only has 10,000 original miles on it. And we're going to chop the frame right in half. Yeah! And we're going to put on this sweet hardtail from Lowbrow Customs. This is made by Gasbox. Lowbrow Customs donated to the project. Super stoked about that. But before we get to chopping that frame, we need to get these wheels and tires mounted up. So that's what we're gonna do. Cut the video, we're going to get these tires mounted up. Alright, so it's the next day, and unfortunately Austin has school today. And I decided to bring Mom with me. We're gonna go take care of a couple things on this Sportster build for the 5 Dirty Bikers and TACA, and probably grab some lunch after that. But it's super awesome to have people in the motorcycle industry, the motorcycle community, who give so much and want to be a part of this project to help families with autism. So I had the opportunity to reach out to some friends here in the Tampa area that own a motorcycle shop called the Ride Factory. Amazing motorcycle shop. They do a lot of things for me, a lot of stuff that I don't necessarily want to do at home. And they're going to be helping us out today with getting those wheels and tires mounted up. So we're going to go by there, check it out, see what they got going at the shop, get some tires mounted up, and see what other kind of things we can get into today before this video is over. Stick around. Hanging out here at the Ride Factory, and Spiff, what you working on, bro?
I'm working on a Harley Davidson.
Yes, he is. He's working on a Harley. We talked about that in last week's video, so.
A touring bike, nonetheless.
Case in point, Harley Davidson's got to get worked on.
Come with me. Follow me.
You guys remember Shelby was the one that came over, gave us a hand on getting the 75 Sportster up and running. This is the part 2 with Shelby working on old crappy carburetors, right?
Right.
Make sure you follow Shelby over on his Instagram. It's a big help in this project. Alright, so Ride Factory, my buddy Joe here, hooking us up with the tires, getting them all mounted up. Joe, thank you so much for the help.
No problem, man.
One question I do have to say, or ask you is, here at the Ride Factory, what kind of motorcycles do you not work on?
Well, if there's 11 letters in the name of it and no vowels, we're probably not going to work on that.
Okay.
If you bought it on Amazon, we're probably not going to work on that.
Okay, all right.
Anything else, it's pretty much fair game.
They do it. They do it all here. Everything from Harleys to Triumphs to Hondas, whatever. If you are in the Tampa area and you need some help on your motorcycle, come here to the Ride Factory. Reach out to Joe. He'll get you hooked up, get you guys taken care of. So thanks again, Joe.
No problem, man.
Well, just wanted to say a huge shout out to my friends over at the Ride Factory for hooking us up, getting these wheels and tires mounted up so that we can start tackling the 1975 Sportster. Super excited about this build. Huge shout out to our friends over at Lowbrow Customs for donating a lot of the parts to this project. Also, if you're interested in our Lowbrow Customs giveaway that's going on for all of the new patrons, make sure you check out our Patreon, get signed up for that. But outside of that, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video today. So thank you guys for hanging out. If you are new around here, jump down, hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit the thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.
I set myself on fire. You know, my hands on. Well, like an idiot, you know, I mean, my little rigid screw gun there, it had some brake cleaner on it. When I pulled the trigger, it arced and it caught fire. Well, well, anyway, some of that brake cleaner run down on my hand and my hand's on fire. Well, I'm more worried about the screw gun, you know. I'm sitting like, ow, that's getting hot. So I stick the other hand like an idiot. So my other hand's on fire now. So I throw it down on the floor, and then he goes running for the fire extinguisher. I'm like, don't you dare. I'm not going to be a sugar cookie today.
Yeah, like, no, I'll be fine.
Yeah.